There's nothing better than finding the perfect tool to personalize my paper crafting projects and so many other things. Let me show you what I made using the brand new jewelry press by We Are Makers. You can see me now adding a small heart charm to the movable platform that comes with the machine, using the alignment stickers, selecting the alphabet stamps and adding them to the typeset station. I am adjusting how much pressure I want to add for that metal piece that I'm working on. I would recommend you to follow the instructions to know exactly where to place the stamps and where to move, how to move the platform depending on what word you're trying to spell, and also if you want to spell it vertically or horizontally. I used these little charms to decorate the spine of that album, a necklace, and a keychain that a friend gifted me last year. Let me know what you think of the machine, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.